Hey, I'm V. Nice to meet you. I live inside these biosensing earphones. They sense your heartbeat, motion, touch, and more. Your music, your calls, and even yours truly will all sound amazing. I come with an app that lets you personalize me. I'll use your data to adapt my training to you. Tell me your goals, and I'll help you reach them. I'll even say your name. Hey, Steve, you ready to run?
Yeah, I'm ready.
How am I doing?
You've run 2.3 miles in 17 minutes and 8 seconds. Let's get your step rating check. Step to this beat. You're at your ideal pace for burning fat. Oh, snap! Somebody just flipped into beast mode. Almost there. Give me everything you've got. You just don't quit, do you? You toe up your distance record of 8 miles. See? We'd make a great team. So let's go. Together. I'm V, and I'm just getting started. You ready?
Like most people, I live a busy and constantly interrupted life. Meetings throughout the day, work to prepare, presentations to get ready for.
My day-to-day life is busy. You're always on the go. You have a career, you have a child. You have to take care of yourself and your family and the home.
How are my son's grades? Is he going to be ready so I can get to work? Do we have bananas on the counter?
And it all adds up to a pretty stressful situation.
Muse has really helped me to be more focused.
It would help you de-stress. It would help you become less reactive.
It just gives you the ability to live in the present.
Make greatness with RoboR2 high-performance smart 3D printer with Wi-Fi. Its spacious 8x8 by 10-inch print size lets you tackle large-scale projects with ease. The removable heated print bed ensures a quality finish every time, with a metal extruder that also supports PLA, ABS, and other specialty filaments. The built-in 5-inch color touchscreen provides cutting-edge control, while onboard slicing lets you download any file and print directly from RoboR2 without a computer or other compatible device. And the Robo app lets you connect and print from your iPhone or iPad, monitor your print, and much more.